Welcome to our laser cutting workshop, where we can see our laser machines cutting with raw materials according to the models specified in different customers' orders. The laser cutting incisions are fine and precise in size with minimal errors, fully meeting the production requirements of high-precision components such as engine, gaskets, and seals. The automated laser equipment has high processing efficiency, enabling quick order receiving and production scheduling, thus ensuring timely delivery. Next, this is our stamping workshop. Here, our workers use different molds to stamp raw materials according to the part models of customer orders. Our stamping workshop delivers extremely high production efficiency, fully capable of meeting customer order requirements. As we can see now, the initial shape of the cylinder head gasket has already been formed. Later, I will take you to view the follow-up production procedures of the cylinder head gasket.